Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect wireless keyboard and mouse in Mitv. Now I've already connected the USB receiver in backside of the TV, so I'm going to show you how to connect it. Basically there are two ports in backside of the Mitv, so I've already connected here, as you could see. So after connecting, you don't have to install any of the application or software to run the keyboard and mouse. It just automatically starts. You can use it directly once you connect the USB receiver. So let's begin. So let me just go into YouTube and type some of the words. Okay, let me put on drag song. Okay, let's see which song. Okay, God's plan. You can fast forward or the same way which you use in the PC. You can increase the volume or decrease it. In the keyboard, if you want to go back to the previous screen, you can just press on escape, and the same way you can use as mouse. As you could see the cursor here moving, if you double click on it on the left button, it goes to the video, and if you click on right, it goes to the previous screen. Okay guys, hope you like the video. Please subscribe. Bye.